So my name is Rachel. I am currently an apprentice with Ffilm Cymru. Ffilm Cymru is actually just to help us out get into the industry.
So I'm Ariel. I'm originally from just outside North London, but I moved to Cardiff for university. Went to the University of South Wales and I did TV and film set design.
Doing a lot of fetching and carrying, a lot of easy ups, making sure that the crew are catered for in any weather condition, making sure that the site is essentially left as it should be, so as if we were never there.
So I'm a standby props trainee, so I've been on set dealing with the props, handing them to the actors, keeping track of continuity and resetting for takes.
I got this through Ffilm Cymru. I'll probably be on maybe 2 or 3 over the next year, and then I'll leave with a diploma.
Everybody's been really friendly, everybody's been really supportive and yeah, really helpful.
When it comes to sort of the crew, essentially they've just been showing me the ropes. They've been incredibly wonderful, so kind and just patient while I'm learning. Really
loving all of it, to be honest. I think just kind of watching everybody come together to make it, it's really collaborative and everybody's got their thing that they're doing and it's all kind of like magic, and as it all comes together it's pretty cool.
I've learned that not everything can go your way. The weather is mainly the deciding factor there.
Probably mostly set etiquette. That's not really something you can learn until you're thrown in there. Not standing in front of the camera when they're blocking, simple things like that.